trail. I think it's new little trail. I need no one.
Just those two. Let's see. Do you know how to spin them? Nope. Other way. You hold. Look like it. You hold on here, and you spin. So hold the stick. Now spin. You go like. Snap your fingers. Watch. Like this. You go like this.
Snap.
Snap.
Now I need some new, and I need another one.
Spin your dreidel.
But I need more.
Just two.
But I need more trails.
Watch. Hold it like this.
Spin it.
And then you spin it.
I need more trails, please. I need all.
Just two dreidels. Okay, let me see one. Okay, now hold it like this.
Okay.
And then spin. Here.
And then
Spin.
we're playing a funny game, Mommy.
What are you playing?
We're playing here, Daddy.
What are you playing?
I'm playing some sail songs that I'm spinning.
Hold it like this.
Rails that are spinning.
And spin.
Can I do one too?
Yeah.
There's one for me.
Just use that one.
Where's the other one?
There's only those two.
Here, Mommy.
Thank you.
You need
Ready?
to spin it like this.
Now spin.
You spin it, Millie.
You need to get all of them to play like this.
Thank you.
Is this fun?
Watch.
Where's that?